Want to burn 500 calories fast without spending hours at the gym? You're about to discover 9 different ways to torch 500 calories, all simple, effective, and doable at home or anywhere. Stick with me, and by the end, you'll have a plan to burn fat, boost energy, and feel amazing every single day. In this video, I'll show you 9 workouts that burn calories fast, explain common mistakes to avoid, and give you a 7-day action plan so you can hit your fat-burning goals without wasting time. No fancy equipment needed, just your body, some space, and determination. First up, jumping jacks, a classic, simple move that can burn around 50 to 70 calories in just 5 minutes. Keep your core tight and land softly to protect your knees. Next, burpees. This full-body calorie blaster combines a squat, jump, and push-up. Be careful not to let your hips sag during the push-up. Keep your core engaged to get the most out of every rep. Mountain climbers come next. In a plank position, drive your knees toward your chest quickly. Avoid letting your hips rise too high. Keep a straight line from head to heels for maximum effect. High knees are another great calorie burner. Sprint in place while lifting your knees to hip level and keep your arms moving to increase intensity. Squat jumps help build lower body strength while burning calories. Make sure you go deep into the squat and explode up, avoiding shallow movements that reduce the burn. Push-ups target your upper body and core. Keep a straight line from head to heels and avoid dropping your hips or flaring your elbows. Proper form maximizes results and prevents injury. Jump rope is perfect for cardio and coordination. Keep your jumps low and steady to reduce fatigue and maintain a high-calorie burn. Lunges work your legs and glutes while keeping your heart rate high. Step forward, lower your back knee toward the ground, and avoid leaning forward. Keep your chest up. Finally, plank to shoulder tops. In a plank position, alternate topping your shoulders while keeping your body as stable as possible. Avoid rotating your hips too much for an effective core workout. Now let's cover 3 common mistakes people make when trying to burn calories fast. First, skipping warm-ups. Even a quick 2-minute warm-up prevents injury and prepares your body. Second, going too fast with bad form. Speed is good, but poor form reduces efficiency and increases injury risk. Third, not tracking progress. Use a timer, reps, or a calorie tracking app to stay on target and stay motivated. Here's a 7-day action plan to put it all together. Day 1 is full body. Combine jumping jacks, burpees, and push-ups. Day 2 focuses on lower body with squat jumps and lunges. Day 3 is a cardio blast with jump rope and high knees. Day 4 targets core and stability with plank to shoulder taps and mountain climbers. Day 5 is a full body repeat, combining exercises 1 through 5 in a circuit. Day 6 is active recovery, light jogging or walking. Day 7 is challenge day. Do a mini circuit of all 9 exercises, 1 set each, and see how many calories you burn. Start slow, increase intensity each day, and always focus on form over speed. If you want to actually burn 500 calories fast, follow this plan for just 7 days and see the difference. Hit that like button if you found this useful, subscribe for more fat-burning workouts, and comment below which exercise you're going to try first. Remember, consistency beats intensity. Stick with it and you'll see results.